Hello and welcome to the SQL series. My name is Parth, and in this video we are going to have a look at Microsoft SQL interview question. This is an easy one. We are changing a little bit, moving from medium to easy for a bit, and then we'll be starting the harder questions as well. So the question goes like Teams power user. Write a query to find the top 2 power users who sent the most messages on Microsoft Teams in August 2022. So we have to make sure that it's only for August 2022. In this question, we'll have an occasion to learn the extract method, how to extract month, day, or year from a date. And we also have to display, so the output expected is display the IDs of these 2 users along with the total number of messages that they sent. Output the results in descending order, descending count of the messages. The assumption which we have is no 2 users has sent the same number of messages in August 2022. So we will have to, so every user has sent like a unique count of messages. So if we just order it and take the top 2, it should give us the answer which we are looking for. We will be using an extract function in this query. So let's quickly jump in to see what extract can do for us. So the semantics or the structure of the extract is you write extract function, field which you want to extract, and you specify the source. So for example, if you want to extract month from a date, you simply write month here and you specify the source, which will be the date, or in this case, which will be sent the date. So this way we can go ahead and extract whatever information we need from date time. And here they have an overview of what all fields can you extract. So it can be a century, a decade, and a lot of options which are available here. So here we also have an example. Select extract year from the timestamp, and they specify the timestamp here. And the answer to this is 2016. We can also extract the quarter, and so on and so forth. So you have an idea of how we want to approach this problem. So when we have to filter for August 2022, we will be using the extract method to kind of make sure that we are only looking at the records from August 2022. So let's get started. This is a simpler query, so we do not have to write multiple sub-queries to answer this question. And it will be rather a straightforward group by. So let's get started and see how we can quickly come up with a query. So in the final output table, we have to get the sender ID. We also have to get a message count. So we use the count operator, and we can do it on the message ID. I'm assuming that all the messages here are unique, so you cannot, if it's a unique identifier, so you cannot really like the ID associated with each message, I believe, will be unique, so you cannot have a recurrence of the same message ID again. And we want it as message count. We want this from messages table, and we want to now do the filtering for August 2022. So we use the extract function. We want month from sent date, and we want it equal to 08. And we want to do another filter which is on the year. We want year from sent date, and we want it equal to 2022. And we want to group it. We want to group by the sender ID, and we want to order these in descending order based on the message count. So order by message count and DESC. And this should give us a table where we have all the sender IDs and their message count ordered in a descending order. So let's quickly run it and see what the output is. Yes, so we can see the message count is decreasing from the top to bottom. Now we have another limitation here. We only want the top 2 power users. So here we can simply go ahead and use the limit operation, or we can limit the results to just 2 rows and have it. So let's quickly run this, see if we get what we're expecting. It looks like that. Let's try to submit it and see if it works the way we expect it to work. I hope you found the explanation clear. If something was not clear, please feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So let's submit it and see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we have it figured out. Yeah, looks like it's working. Excellent having you here. Have a great day. Until next video, enjoy your evening. See you.